Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Super excited to share today's video with you. It is going to be the budget makeover on my laundry room. You guys, I've wanted to do this project since we moved into the house and it just got kind of pushed to the back burner. We were just waiting for some dust to settle, so to speak, but I'm really happy that we were finally able to get it done. And I didn't want to spend a ton of money because obviously it is the laundry room, but I did want to create more space for storage, and also making it look nice is always a bonus. So I'm just showing you guys some before shots. I had it as best organized as I could. This was how the laundry room was made when we purchased our home, and so this is just what it looked like before. I'm just showing you kind of, it's a homeschool overflow room since the laundry room is right attached to my homeschool room. So just showing you everything that's in there. We've got paper and dog food. We've got a little bit of everything going on. But before we get too far into the makeover video, I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Built Bar. You guys know how much I love my Built Bars, and I especially love having Built Bars on hand when we are doing projects like this. I don't know about you, but once I get rolling, I do not want to stop. And so it's so nice to have Built Bars. You can just quickly eat them and get right back to the project that you are working on. No fuss, and keep yourself going. So I love getting the mix box. It has all the best yummy flavors inside it, 12 different ones to choose from, and they are all really delicious. Built Bar is known for its 100% chocolate and taste and texture, which I am showing you guys here. It literally is like biting into a candy bar, and I love it so, so much. So one of the things that really sets Built Bar apart from other protein bars, besides the nutritional content and the taste, is the absolute amazing texture. You guys, if you like chocolate, you will love Built Bar. These have the consistency of a chocolatey, gooey candy bar. As you can see here, I took a bite out of it so you could look at the center. All of them are so, so, so delicious, and they have this amazing candy bar, sweet tooth, curbing ability. So good. So if you guys want to try Built Bar, I will have my link and coupon code down below. It is Ashley15, and you guys can save 15% on your order for some delicious protein bars. So now jumping into the video, Jake had to first take out the shelf. Now the shelf may look like it's only resting on these ledges. However, the builders built it into the wall. They glued it and they screwed it in. It was actually attached really well, which was almost surprising because sometimes builders will take, you know, a shortcut on things like that. So Jake was removing the shelf. I actually was not home this weekend. I was in Salt Lake with my oldest daughter for a soccer trip. So he wanted to work on this project with his dad while I was gone, because we have the luxury of my father-in-law being a general contractor. He's built homes from the ground up, and although he does not do that anymore, he is still so talented, and things that would take Jake, I don't know, weeks to learn how to do, his dad can help him get done in a matter of hours. So that's what you guys are seeing here, a little father-son project, which I know my husband really loved, aside from doing the project, just doing things with his dad he enjoys. So obviously this is a time lapse, but Jake did tell me that it took them about 2.5 hours to get the cabinets installed into the studs, and then my father-in-law went ahead and secured the cabinets together as well, so they're kind of attached as one unit. You can see like the marks where the shelf was on the wall, which was why we had to paint after the fact. but the cabinets were put up, and then they went ahead and put the hardware on so that it matched the rest of the cabinetry in the house. And that hardware I got on Amazon, and I'll link it down below. I really love it, and it's very good quality considering it's from Amazon, but you get a lot of handles for a very cheap price, and I really like it. They're all throughout my house. So that is what the cabinets are looking like. So next up, it was going to be paint, and we did need to do 2 coats in the laundry room. So this color is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. It's the exact same color as my homeschool room and what eventually will be the gray that goes all throughout my house. Jake does the trim and I do the rolling, and we get it done really fast. So we carved out an afternoon to do this, and we actually got it done in one afternoon, which was totally surprising. But you can see the color difference here in the gray. The builder painted all of our interior walls a flat gray paint. We were not able to choose the color, and you can see that although I do love gray as a neutral, the Sherwin-Williams color is much brighter. It's much more fresh looking, and I was really happy with how it turned out in there. So really love the color. It made a big difference, and you guys will see what Jake kind of suggested once I show you the tour. Because of how bright and airy it made the laundry room feel, he kind of talked me out of doing something I was pretty set on doing. Okay guys, so here is the finished little, kind of big, kind of little, depending on your level of skill, laundry room makeover in our laundry room, of course. I am super happy with how everything turned out in here. I do want to briefly mention that I did talk about doing a backsplash in here behind the washer and dryer. However, my realistic husband brings me back down to earth sometimes, and he said, why would we spend, you know, $400, $500 putting a backsplash behind there, although it would look really cute, when we're gonna need a new washer and dryer soon anyway, when we could put that money towards that. So I agreed with him, and it was not a big deal. So no backsplash. That was something that I originally thought I was gonna do that we ended up not doing, especially because of once we painted the room in here, which the color isn't pulling true. It's very, like, this is stark white. This is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams in a satin finish. And it's not pulling true. It's super bright in here. So anyways, let's just talk about it, the finished product a little bit. I got a new runner from HomeGoods. I wanted something black and brown to kind of tie everything in together, and I wanted to find something that had no slip on the bottom so it didn't move. I got the dog who eats up here some new bowls from HomeGoods as well. The hamper is the same, that stayed the same. The hanger little rack that I have over here that I got at an antique store like years ago, that's the same. And then this sign above couldn't be more true, and that is also the same. Above the window, if the camera will shift, lighting, I don't know, it's pretty bright. Let me close this. There we go. That is the same sign. Over there, wash and dry, those came from Hobby Lobby, and I love them. That is the same. This little wiry laundry basket, I got rid of the plastic ones that I had. I just don't need that many laundry baskets. It just tells me that it's okay to fold my, not fold my laundry. I got this one at Target. I think it was like $9. Above the cabinets, which is the main focus, the dry galvanized letters up there, I, you know, prop them up there. That plant is from Magnolia Home at Target. It was downstairs. I brought it upstairs. This basket was holding cleaning products, which are now inside the cabinet. So I just put it up there for like a natural touch. Then that little laundry board sign up there, that was $3 in the Target dollar spot. That plant was on my desk in my schoolroom, and I put it up there. So I just decorated the top of the cabinets with things I already had because like I told you guys, this was to be done on a budget. These handles are from Amazon. I have them all throughout my house. Now you might be noticing that they are a little bit different of a finish. You're correct. I ordered the wrong ones, but I just didn't care enough to wait. So these are a little darker. That's fine. I'm going to be getting a new washer and dryer. I want something bigger. This came with our house. Our appliances were included. So we figured we'd use it for the first few years and basically wear it out. That time has come. So please leave me your washer and dryer recommendations in a comment on this video if you have one. I have 4 kids, lots of dogs. I want something that can wash a lot at once. I prefer a top loader over a front loader, and I want to stay away from LG and Samsung. So like GE, you know, those type, Whirlpool, those kind of brands I'd prefer. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations. This is really what the game changer was in here, was adding this cabinetry. If you guys saw the beginning of the video, we just had a shelf. And although it worked and it, you know, it was better than having nothing, this is a lot better. So in here, this is like the cleaning products, shelf, storage. I think I already showed you guys this as I was making progress. And I just am really happy with it. This is the homeschool cabinet. So we have like kits and things that we don't use all the time. Some curriculum for next year I'm just housing in there until we're done with this school year. And then that one is completely extra over there, which will house some more homeschool things. Once we're done with this school year and I clean out my schoolroom, I know I'm gonna have things that I wanna keep in there. So these cabinets came from Home Depot. They were pre-made. They were in stock. They got to my store for me to pick them up. I did order them online within about 2 weeks, and I could not be happier. They are really good quality, and they look really great in the laundry room, and I'm very, very happy with it. So all of the linens are now moved down here, and in these drawers we still just have like our printer ink and things like that. So we painted, like I said, the walls in here. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's still not pulling right. It's a very light gray. It's very beautiful. It's the same color gray as the schoolroom. So this is a more true color. It's a bright, fresh gray color. And although my house was already painted gray by the builder, it was a flat paint, number 1, and number 2, the color was dark, so it felt dark. This is a really nice, fresh gray color. So I'm really, really happy with my laundry room. Every time I come upstairs and I see my cabinets, it just makes me happy. It's the little things in life, guys. The light is on an auto timer in there, but I love how it turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little house project that I've been wanting to do forever, and I'm really glad is finally done.